Hello everybody, welcome back. Josh here with Josh's Lawn and Landscape. I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch and just say I hope everybody had a very happy, safe, and blessing-filled Thanksgiving with your family and loved ones, and was able to just enjoy that time to be with them. And like I said, that everybody was safe. So been away for a few days, and this is the day after Thanksgiving. So got a customer that has some family coming in the next day or so, and she called and wanted the leaves and stuff cleaned up in her yard. So I told her I would be there today. And sorry, I got somebody blocking my view, having to pull out there. Somebody's parked right in the way. Sometimes these people, I think they're getting their license from a Cracker Jack box or something. I don't know. But we're going over here to do this yard, and the customer, another customer right down the street in the same neighborhood, is wanting me to do the same thing in his yard, clean his up, and he's also had contacted me that he would be out of town, so that he was going to have somewhere where he would leave the payment for the last cut that I did for him. It's good to have good customers, because I'll be honest, I had kind of forgot about that yard. It's a small yard, but every little bit counts. So thankful for good, honest customers, good people. So he was going to be out of town. I left payment for the previous cut and went on ahead and wrote in for this one today to clean up his yard. Just kind of mulch up all the leaves. I don't basically do any bagging anymore. Did very little. Felt like unless it's a specific request to do it, it's much easier for me to just mulch them up into the lawn, or work them across the yard into a tree line or something like that. So that's what's going on today. Before I get to rambling on too much, thank you to everybody who has taken time to watch, everybody who has subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Like the video, just helps me with looking a little better for the old YouTube people, and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank y'all. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Check out some of the previous videos, and we're gonna get to it today and see, well, I say I'm gonna get to it today and see if I can get it knocked out, get it looking good, try to get some footage, at least before and after, hopefully a little bit of real-time live footage, and see how it goes. So y'all stick around, let's get into it. real quick. Saw me doing some blowing, but here's this backyard. The one or two that I was blowing in the front yard to get all the leaves and stuff back off the curb. Not too bad here, mainly right here in the middle and back that way from river birch. You can see there's still a bunch to fall, but the customer wanted them. Go ahead and clean them up one time, and then I'll probably be back in 3 or 4 weeks, clean them all up again. As you can see, got most of this up out here where I was blowing earlier. I'm gonna go get my blower and move a little bit around in the backyard. And I'm just gonna show you real quick this other side of this front yard. I did this front yard here, and right here, voila, no bagging, all mulched up. Stick around. All right, so you've seen the front around there. So here's the backyard from a while ago. You can see, get everything mulched up. Took the BR600, kind of blew around out from around the trees. Some of the stuff closer to the wood line got blown back that way. Some pine straw and stuff in this little corner, and some of the stuff on this back slope over here just got blown up into the tree line, and then all this out here blown away from the fence and mulched up. Just got through blowing off the mower, and so I'm going to grab the 600 and head back over to pack it up and do a closeout for this video. So stick around. Well, alright y'all, just gonna wrap this one up. I made it back home, and hope y'all enjoyed the little bit of footage. Not much to it, a little bit of live action with the blower, kind of just pushing everything up into the yard, into the middle areas, so I can mulch it up, and some somewhat before and after type footage of what I was dealing with. So I hope you enjoyed that and the results. Just a couple of small quick little yards that I got a hold of, but didn't get a lot of footage. Just had some stuff I had to get back so I can get taken care of. So I want to wrap this one up, and I want to thank once again everybody that has subscribed to the channel, has continued to watch and support the channel, comment, and appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody who has even just watched the channel, if you haven't subscribed. But if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Leave me a thumbs up. Helps boost the channel up. And again, I appreciate it. Thank you to each and every one of you. I hope y'all again had a very happy, safe, and blessed Thanksgiving holiday. And just want to say, y'all be safe, be kind, be blessed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.